As we age, fine lines and wrinkles become a natural part of life. But what if I told you there's a simple way to dramatically reduce the appearance of wrinkles, leaving your skin smoother, younger, and more radiant? The truth is, many of us unknowingly make mistakes that accelerate the aging process. And one of those is neglecting to use the right anti-aging products. If you're looking for the #1 anti-aging cream for wrinkles that could transform your skin in just weeks, keep reading. You're about to discover a game changer. The problem: wrinkles and skin aging. As time passes, skin loses its elasticity, hydration, and the ability to repair itself. Wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging are often the result. But here's the real challenge: while there are countless anti-aging creams on the market, most don't deliver on their promises. They either take too long to show results or, worse, don't work at all. This leaves many people frustrated and feeling like their skin is beyond repair. The solution? The #1 anti-aging cream for wrinkles. Introducing the ultimate anti-aging solution, a cream scientifically formulated to target wrinkles and restore youthful radiance to your skin. This cream is packed with powerful ingredients like retinol, hyaluronic acid, and peptides, which work together to stimulate collagen production, improve skin texture, and deeply hydrate. Key benefits: visible reduction in wrinkles. The combination of retinol and peptides helps to speed up skin cell turnover, minimizing fine lines and wrinkles. Hydration and firmness. Hyaluronic acid draws moisture into the skin, keeping it plump and hydrated while boosting firmness and elasticity. Radiance and glow. The cream's nourishing ingredients work to restore your skin's natural glow, making you look younger and more refreshed. Fast results. Within just a few weeks, you'll notice smoother, more radiant skin with fewer visible wrinkles. No need to wait months to see a difference. Why it works: unlike typical moisturizers that only hydrate, this anti-aging cream goes deeper. It targets the root causes of aging: skin elasticity and moisture loss, and actively works to repair them. By using it consistently, you're not just masking the problem, you're reversing it. Say goodbye to wrinkles. If you've been searching for a solution to wrinkles, this cream is your secret weapon. Don't let aging catch you off guard. Take control of your skin's future. Try this #1 anti-aging cream today and unlock the secret to smooth, radiant skin that lasts for years to come.